Today I will give you one of the most powerful programs in recovering files after deleted. It's called Recuva. If your wife, son, or daughter delete anything from your files like picture, movies, or document, or anything else, I will advise you to use this program to recover all your deleted files. First, we will go to the company site and download this program. We're gonna go to Google. After that, we'll write there Recuva. The first choice that Google will show me is the company site www.perform.com/Recuva. We're gonna check download the program. After you check download, the company site will show you three choices. The first one is business edition. It will cost you $34. The second one is professional and will cost you $24. The third one is free for home use. That's what we needed. We're gonna check in perform.com. After that, it will show me the download. I'm gonna check and start download. Now we're gonna wait from 1 to 2 minutes. After finish, we check in open folder, and now you have the setup file of this program. Now we're gonna download this program in the PC. Now we're gonna check the setup file and download the program. Check the language that we want. We check in English. Now next. Now install. We'll leave it and run Recuva. Welcome to the Recuva wizard. Now next, what sort of file are you trying to recover? Picture, music, documents, video, compressed, emails, other. We chose picture. Now next, where were the file? I'm not sure. On my media card or iPod, my document. The recycle bin in specific location. I will choose in my documents. Now next, start. Now I recover the pictures. That was the picture that the program recovered. I'll go now to the next step. Switch to Advanced Mate. I'm selecting all the picture that he recovered, and now recover. I'll choose the file which I want to recover and link you. Okay, yes. Now recover all the files. Now I'll find all the picture that you recover in this file, which I choose. Those are all the pictures. Recover all your pictures. Now have a nice day. Bye.